Hello, Refano.
Hello, Kafi.
As we thought we study together at the cafe this weekend.
That sounds like a great idea.
How about meeting at 10 afternoon on Saturday?
I agreed 10 afternoon is perfect.
Shall we start with our English project prize?
Definitely that's a good plan.
We can order some coffee to keep us focused.
You can say that again. Need coffee?
Great! I'll bring my laptop and notes.
Absolutely. I'll bring the textbook.
So, everything is fit for Saturday.
Exactly. See you there.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.